Hello students, today we are going to study exercise 5.2. If the first term A and a common difference D are given, then nth term of an AP is an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is the nth term, so nth term equal to A plus first term plus n minus 1 into D. First question, fill in the blanks given that A is the first term, D the common difference and an the nth term of an AP. Here in first question, we have given that A equal to 7, D equal to 3, n equal to 8. We have to calculate an. Write the formula first. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And we have to calculate A equal to 7 given, n minus 1 is 8 minus 1, that is 7 into D equal to 3. First do the multiplication. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 7 equal to 28. So nth term an equal to 28. Second question, A equal to minus 18, D we have to find, n equal to 10, an equal to 0. An equal to, always write the formula, an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An, it is 0 given, A minus 18 plus n minus 1 means 10 minus 1, that is 9 into D. D we have to find. Taking minus 18 to LHS, we get 18 equal to 9D. 9 and 18 get cancels 2 times. Therefore, we get D equal to 2. Common difference equal to 2. Third question, A we have to calculate, D equal to minus 3, n equal to 18, an equal to minus 5. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting an, that is minus 5 equal to A we have to calculate, n minus 1 is 18 minus 1, that is 17 into D is minus 3. That is minus 5 equal to A plus into minus minus 17 into 3 equal to 51. From that we get A equal to, here when you take minus 51 to LHS, it will become plus 51 minus 5, that is equal to 46. First term equal to 46. Fourth question, A equal to minus 18.9, D equal to 2.5, n we have to calculate, an equal to 3.6. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is 3.6 equal to A it is minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into D equal to 2.5. Taking minus 18.9 to LHS, we get 3.6 plus 18.9 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5, isn't it? Therefore, here when you add, you get 22.5, that is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Therefore, n minus 1 equal to 22.5 divided by 2.5. That is same as 225 divided by 25, isn't it? Both are having same number of fraction. That is equal to 225 divided by 25. We can cancel by 5. That is 45 by 5 equal to 45 by 5 equal to 9. N minus 1 equal to 9. That is n minus 1 equal to 9. Therefore, n equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10. Here both are having same number of, it is not fraction, same number of decimals. Since they both are having same number of decimals, we can remove the decimals, that is 225 by 25 after multiplying by 10, isn't it? Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 10, we get 225 by 25. After cancellation, we get n minus 1 equal to 9. From that, n equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Fifth question, a equal to 3.5, d equal to 0, n equal to 105, an we have to calculate. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to a is 3.5 plus n minus 1, 105 minus 1, that is 104 into d equal to 0. This will become 0. So we get an equal to nth term equal to 3.5. Okay. Second question. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. 30th term of an AP 10, 7, 4, etc. is. We have to calculate the 30th term. So here a equal to, in this sequence a equal to 10. Common difference d equal to a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 is same as a1 is same as a first term, isn't it? That is equal to a2. It is 7 minus a1 or a equal to 10. That is equal to minus 3. Common difference equal to minus 3. Now we have to calculate a 30th. That is, first write the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A 30, that is equal to a 10 plus n minus 1. N minus 1, it is 30 minus 1 equal to 29 into d equal to minus 3. That is equal to 10 minus 29 into 3. 29 into 3 it is 87. 29 into 3 87. Therefore 10 minus 87 equal to minus 77. Minus 77. And here minus 77 is option C. So answer option C, minus 77. Second question, 11th term of the AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 is, we have to calculate 11th term. So a equal to first term it is minus 3. Common difference d equal to a2 minus a1, or we can write a2 minus a. First term is a, isn't it? That is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus minus 3. Minus will become plus 3. That is equal to, when you take the LCM, you get 6 minus 1. That is 5 by 2. Common difference equal to 5 by 2. Now, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to a. A is minus 3. We have to calculate a11, isn't it? Minus 3 plus n minus 1. 11 minus 1. 11 minus 1, it is 10. Into common difference d equal to 5 by 2. Cancelling, we get 5. 5 5s are 25. So it is equal to minus 3 plus 25. Minus 3 plus 25 equal to 22. So here the option B, 22 is the final answer. So required answer is option B, 22. Okay. Third one, in the following APs find the missing term. Here a sequence is given 2, second term missing, third term 26. So write a equal to, given a equal to 2, a2 it is not given, we have to find a3 equal to 26. a3 equal to 26. a1 is same as a, isn't it? Therefore, a equal to 2 and a3 equal to 26. Now, an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, a3 equal to a, first term a equal to 2. 2 plus n minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2 into d. But a3 is given, a3 equal to how much? 26. Therefore, 26 equal to 2 plus 2d. From that we get 2d equal to 26 minus 2, that is 24. Therefore, d equal to, after cancellation, we get d equal to 12, isn't it? 2 and 24 get cancels, we get d equal to 12. Therefore, first term, it is 2 given. Second term, 2 plus 12, that is equal to 14. Third, 14 plus 12, that is 26. It is already given. We have to find the second term, and the missing term is 14. Second question, dash 13 dash 3. A is not given. First term A is not given. A2 is given. Second term A2 equal to 13. A3 not given. A4 equal to 3. A4 equal to 3. Now write the formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A2 equal to 13. A2 equal to 13 means A plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into D equal to D equal to 13. A plus D equal to 13. Second, A4 equal to 3 means A plus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3D equal to 3. Number these equations as 1 and 2. Now subtracting, that is 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Since here changing the sign throughout, A minus A 0. D minus 3D, it is minus 2D equal to 13 minus 3, that is equal to 10. So after cancelling, we get D equal to 10 by minus 2, that is minus 5, isn't it? D equal to common difference equal to minus 5. Therefore, we have to calculate first term also. We have to calculate first term. Substituting in first equation, we get A plus D. Plus D means minus 5 equal to 13. Therefore, A equal to 13 plus 5, that is 18. So first term equal to 18. First term 18. Second 18 minus 5, that is 13. It is already given. 13 is given, isn't it? Yeah, 13 is given. 13 minus 5. 13 minus common difference 5. 13 minus 5 equal to 8. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So the missing terms are first and the third one. First and third one means 18 and 8 are the missing terms. Third question, 5 dash dash 9 1 by 2. So first term A equal to 5. A equals 5. And as second term it is not given. Third term, fourth term A4 equal to 9 1 by 2. A4 equal to 9 1 by 2. Write the formula. An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula we get A4, that is A plus n minus 1. N minus 1 is 3. A plus 3D equal to 9 1 by 2. That is A equal to 5. Therefore 5 plus 3D equal to 5 plus 3D equal to 9 1 by 2 is same as 19 by 2, isn't it? 19 by 2. Therefore we get, here it is, this one is 5. Therefore 3D equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. That is same as 19 minus 10 by 2. 19 minus 10, that is 9 by 2. We can cancel 3 and 9 3 times. Therefore we get D equal to 3 by 2, which is same as 1 1 by 2. 1 and 1 by 2. Now first term A equal to 5, it is given. So 5. Second term 5 plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1, it is 6. 6 1 by 2. Next 6 plus 6 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 6 plus 1 7. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 1, isn't it? 7 plus 1 8. Next 8 plus 1 by 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 1 by 2. But this 9 1 by 2 is given. And these two terms are missing. 6 1 by 2 and 8 are missing. Next question, minus 4. A2, A3, A4, A5 are not given. A6 is given. It is equal to 6. So A equal to, first term A equal to minus 4. And A6 equal to 6, isn't it? A6, that is A plus An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Using this formula, we get A6 equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 5D equal to 6. A is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. From this one we get 5D equal to 10 or D equal to 2. Common difference equal to 2. First term it is minus 4 given. Second, minus 4 plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, it is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So, missing terms are these 4. Minus 2, 0, 2 and 4. Fifth question. Second term is given A2. A2 equal to 38. A3, A4, A5, A6. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, isn't it? No, this is minus 22. So, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. Yeah, A6 equal to minus 22. So, here we are using the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. A2 is a plus n minus 1, 2 minus 1, it is 1, 1 into d, that is equal to 38. And here it is A6, that is a plus n minus 1, 5d, that is equal to minus 22. So, a plus d equal to 38, a minus 5d equal to, a plus 5d equal to minus 22. Number these equations as 1 and 2. Now, subtracting, that is 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus equation 2. Changing sign throughout, we get here these two cancels and 1 minus 5, it is minus 4d equal to, this will become plus, isn't it? Here it is plus. 38 plus 22, 60. Therefore, d equal to 60 divided by minus 4, that is equal to minus 15. So, common difference equal to minus 15. Now, substituting in first equation, substituting the value of d in first equation, we get a minus 15 equal to 38. Therefore, a equal to 38 plus 15. 38 plus 15 equal to 53, isn't it? So, first term is 53. First one it is 53. Second, 53 minus 15. 53 minus 15, that is equal to 38. Next, 38 minus 15, 23. 23 minus 15, 8. 8 minus 15, after subtraction we get minus 7. Minus 7 minus 15, that is minus 22. So, the missing terms are first one 53, next third, fourth and fifth. These four terms are missing. Okay. Fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78? Etc. is 78. So, we have given the first term a equal to 3. Common difference d equal to, we can write a2 minus a1 or a2 minus, first term it is a. a2 minus a, that is equal to 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Now, an equal to, an is also given, it is 78. An equal to 78. We have to find which term is 78. Okay. That is an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, substituting the values here, we get 78 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into, common difference it is 5. N minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, that is 75 equal to 5 into n minus 1. 5 and 75 cancels, it is 15 times. Therefore, we get n minus 1 equal to 15 or n equal to, n minus 1 equals 15. Therefore, n equal to 15 plus 1, that is equal to 16. Therefore, the answer is 78 is the 16th term, isn't it? 16th term. 78 is 16th term. Thank you.